Welcome back, degenerates and pension fund masquerading as responsible adults. Today's tape is giving split personality. Index puts stacked like Costco paperwork or paper towels, while semis and select one-offs got the call bid. Think seatbelt on, foot still on the gas. Let's translate the hieroglyphics here. So, the tape in one breath. SPY/IWM, put heavy. Flow scanner shows SPY 26.2 million premiums with 23 million inputs, and IWM 18.4 million with 16.5 million inputs. Someone's paying for a soft floor. In the semi/AI sector, NVDA, Tesla, Meta saw call blocks. NVIDIA led with 17.3 million total and a strong call skew. Single name standouts included Chipotle puts, BE, LITE, FSLR calls, and a PDD call sweep as well. The read here is macro hedged, stock picking live where momentum lives. So the big money board, let's talk about the loud trades from today. NVIDIA, don't overthink it, we still like money. We're seeing December 2025 205 calls, $5.29 million block. And then we're also seeing December 2025 $200 calls, a $2.1 million block. On the flow scanner, calls 11.3 million versus 6 million inputs, frequent hits. Why it matters, funds are buying time into 2025 while cash flows catch up to the multiple. Not the frothiest strikes, disciplined upside rental. If NVIDIA rallies, these become gamma fuel. Tesla, the tape split personality poster child. We're seeing December 2025, 325 calls, $4.18 million sweep. The 325 line aligns with Flow Scanner's most common contract, upside rental into any autonomy/robotaxi sizzle. Skews can flip quickly, respect the sweeps though. Meta, ad machine with AI drip. September 2025, 770 calls a $4.14 million sweep here. Why it matters? Short runway versus NVIDIA. Spot momentum plus AI/ads narrative intact. These are not leaps. They want action into fall. SPY, we're seeing put walls like a construction site. We're seeing September 2025 620 puts a $3.53 million block and another $3.21 million block. And then we're also seeing 609 puts with a $2.31 million block. Now, why does this matter? Classic portfolio insurance. The 609 to 620 strike zone pops on flow scanner. Most common is the 609P. These strikes often magnetize on red days. Chipotle, the great food, rough multiple hedge. We're seeing the September 2025 425 put with a $2.21 million block. Expensive consumer staples of joy meet cost/traffic variability. Fund-soaked medium dated protection, classic risk manager move here. And then BE, LITE, and FSLR, the electrify me basket. BE, we're seeing the September 2025 $50 call with a $1.9 million block. We're seeing LITE, September 2025 $125 call, a $2.02 million block. And then FSLR, September 2025, a 190 call, a $1.97 million block on those. All call side. This smells like thematic rotation, grid, optics, and solar. Not YOLO size, but coordinated. And then PDD, the silent grinder. We're seeing September 5th, 2025, 130 calls, $1.8 million sweep. And this shows urgency plus near-time expiration. Traders want a move now. China beta plus earnings cadence can force follow-throughs on this as well. And on IWM, the somebody's nervous repeater, we're seeing multiple September 2025 213 puts at a $1.83 to $1.89 million size each. Rapid fire on this. Small caps equals funding costs plus credit. If growth hiccups, IWM is going to bleed first. And the flow scanner confirms the put skew here as well. NVIDIA puts, we're also seeing a little ice water. We're seeing the January 2025 165 puts, $1.62 million drop. Balanced book, not all greed. A tactical don't wreck me for near-term wobble here. Now, upside rentals are NVIDIA, Tesla, Meta, BE, LITE, FSLR, and PDD. Institutional hedges are SPY, IWM, and Chipotle, and a bit on NVDA. And the message that they are sending is we'll chase winners, but we also bought some protection as well. Now, we also had some unusual activity as well coming through. We saw Celsius with March 2026 $47.50 puts, $1.26 million dropped on these. Datadog, June 2026 105 puts, $1.19 million. Cloud is still volatile. Call me when the budget unfreezes here. American Airlines, we saw September 2025 $14 calls, $623,000 drop. Low premium, high count equals a lottery strip on airlines, and these are already paying out because American is having quite the day. We also are seeing VXX September 2025 $45 call blocks, 537,000 and 587,000 respectively. Volatility insurance and event prep is definitely brewing. We saw Bud with June 2026 $70 calls, 560K total, slow burn, and it's a re-rate play basically. And then Reddit, November 2025 165 puts, 365K, tactical protection on a meme adjacent ticker. So where does that leave us? If we grind higher, expect NVIDIA, Tesla, and Meta call structures to gamma assist. PDD sweep can snowball if tape stays risk on. We're seeing BE, LITE, and FSLR calls look like accumulation, could support steady ramps rather than one-day spikes here. But if it's one thing that's certain, this is pro-bull market behavior with adult supervision. Buy winners, hedge the index, keep thematic tickers, and the danger isn't exuberance, it's headline shock. Thank you for tuning in today to our midday options flow brought to you by Investor Central Club. Head over to investorcentralclub.com if you are interested in getting this real-time flow live. My name's Max Pitts. We're here every day breaking down Wall Street's tea leaves for you so you don't have to guess blindly. Catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Enjoy.